What is your name? My name is Ajay Kumar. Where are you from? I'm from Sahajanpur, a small village in district Kapurthala, Punjab. To tell more about it, the place doesn't have many facilities. People have to visit nearby city for everything. Describe your hometown. My village is very small and doesn't have many facilities. It has a small middle school, a dispensary, and few local shops. Most of the people in my village are farmers and follow Punjabi culture. The local language is Punjabi. Which language do people speak in your hometown? Is my village is situated in Punjab, so most of the people speak only Punjabi, the local language, while some others speak Hindi also. Official language English is used less here. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are listening music, reading books, and playing outdoor games. It gives me complete relaxation and acts as a stress buster. Tell me about your family. I come from a nuclear family. We are four members: my father, mother, a younger brother, and me. Both my parents are working. My father is a government employee, mother a teacher, whereas me and my brother are students. My younger brother is a student of 12th class, while I am studying arts while pursuing graduation. Do all the family members live at one place? Yes, we all family members live at one place. My father's office and my college both are in Chandigarh. My mother teaches in the same school where my brother studies, and it is near to my house. So, we all live under a single roof, and it is easy for us to commute to our scheduled places daily. What kind of food do you like to eat? I am pure vegetarian, so I like to eat vegetarian food. Most of my diet include fruits, green vegetables, cereals, milk, and milk products. It is healthy, easily available, and not expensive. Which is your favorite restaurant in your city? Why? Western Court is my favorite restaurant. It is located in a posh area and a huge parking facility. It provides quality food and exceptionally good services. The ambience of the restaurant is attractive and inviting. Do you work or study? I am a professional. I am working as a staff nurse in reputed hospital named Kesar Hospital in Sector 17, Chandigarh. I am working there since March 2006 and my job responsibilities include looking after the indoor patients and following the doctor's instructions in the operation theatre. What makes your job more interesting? Facing new challenges, especially in the emergency, make my job more interesting. There I learn many things like taking quick decisions and working actively. The situations there make me stronger and efficient. Do you have many friends or just one or two? I don't believe in making a number of friends just for the sake of fun. I have only one friend I can confide in because he is honest and trustworthy. He is friend to me from my school days. He is very accommodating, cooperative, and always ready to help. We stand by each other for many reasons and have a good compatibility. What do you and your friend like to do together? My friend is like a companion to me. We both generally like to talk and share our feelings and discuss our education and career options. Sometimes we go for shopping and even enjoy outing on weekends. We also have common hobbies which we pursue together. Do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking. I cook food daily for my family and prepare special dishes on festivals, family functions, and celebrations. It is my hobby too. Who taught you cooking? I didn't get any formal training in cooking. Since my childhood, I observed my mother cooking in the kitchen and I automatically learned to cook. For cooking special dishes, my mother helped me. Tell me about the important festivals celebrated in your country. My country is multi-religious and multicultural. People of all religions and cultures celebrate their festival with great fervor. The common festivals celebrated are Dasera, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Baisakhi, Eid, and Christmas. Can you describe your routine? I get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock, do yoga for half an hour. Then I get ready for my institute. Is I am working as a teacher, so from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. I teach students. I come back home by 2:30 pm and then look after my family. In the evening, I meditate for half an hour, go for a long walk with friends, come back and have dinner, then watch TV for some time before going to bed.